Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ikechi Onyenaka, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a saxophone tutorial for Bad Habits by Usher. This is a new Usher song that literally just dropped. It's in the key of concert B-flat major, which is your G major on the alto saxophone. So first things first, in case you're new to the channel, my name is Ikechi Onyenaka. I'm an alto saxophonist, multi-instrumentalist, and performing artist from Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. And my goal on this channel is to become the next big music legend to make it out of the Philadelphia music scene. So I post vlogs, performances, concerts, song tutorials, covers, you name it. So if that interests you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So your first couple notes are B, A twice with the octave key, G, A twice, then G. And what I'm doing there is I'm gracing the A with an A flat. So that kind of gives it that whole graced, soulful kind of sound. Next, you're bouncing back and forth with the A and the G. Next, you kind of have something that kind of sounds like a scale. You're doing A, G, A, B, A, G, D, G, and then you're falling off on an E. And what I'm doing with that is I'm gracing the G with an F sharp. So I'm kind of like gliding off of it. And this was all with the octave key. So altogether, this is the first section of the song. Also, in case you're wondering, all of the equipment that I'm using for my saxophone for this video are listed down below in my video's description. Everything from my reeds, mouthpiece, ligature. Also, I believe my neck strap is in there too, so definitely check it out. Okay. So the next half of the song is pretty much more of the same as the first half. The only difference is you're replacing the B from the beginning with the G with an octave key. So this is how it sounds. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to smash that like button. So altogether, this is the whole song. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little freestyle over Bad Habits. This is me just adding in my own personal style and, just having some fun with it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to drop a full saxophone cover for this song. If I do end up dropping one, it's probably going to be linked inside my description, and I'll also leave a pop-up up above. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to type down below in the comment section a fire emoji. If you end up doing a saxophone cover for this, or whatever instrument you play, maybe you play clarinet, piano, whatever, make sure to tag me in your covers, alright? Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram and everything is down below inside the description and inside the video as well. So definitely tag me in your covers and I will repost you on my social media. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on social media. My links are down below in this video, and I'll also leave them inside the description as well. You're also more than welcome to donate to my channel. It definitely helps out my channel. My Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are down below in the description. Make sure to turn on the notification bell right next to the subscribe icon so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace!